Angles formed by a transversal to parallel lines. You must have seen the railway tracks. These two rails of the track do not meet anywhere, so these two rails are parallel to each other. As you go further, you may find the rails of another track which intersect the two parallel rails. Let's take these two rails as two lines, say L and M, and a line, say T, which intersects these two lines at two distinct points. This line T is called the transversal. We can see that a bunch of angles are created. Let's name these angles as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. As we already know that when two lines intersect each other, the vertically opposite angles are equal. So here it can be concluded that angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4, angle 5 is equal to angle 7, and angle 6 is equal to angle 8. As we move the line M upwards, we find that the angles formed on the lines L and M with the given transversal line overlap each other. So, here we see that angle 1 is equal to angle 5, angle 2 is equal to angle 6, angle 3 is equal to angle 7, and angle 4 is equal to angle 8. As we know, these all are pairs of corresponding angles. So here we can say that corresponding angles are equal. Now observe these two conditions here. It shows that angle 1 is equal to angle 3 as these are vertically opposite angles, and angle 3 is equal to angle 7 as these are corresponding angles, which concludes that angle 1 is equal to angle 7. Another condition shows that angle 2 is equal to angle 4 and angle 4 is also equal to angle 8, which concludes that angle 2 is equal to angle 8. As we know that angles 1 and 7 and angles 2 and 8 are pairs of alternate exterior angles, thus here we can say that alternate exterior angles are equal. Next, observe these two conditions. It shows angle 5 is equal to angle 7 as these are vertically opposite angles, and angle 3 is equal to angle 7 as these are corresponding angles, which concludes that angle 5 is equal to angle 3. Similarly, on observing these two conditions, we get angle 6 is equal to angle 4. As we know that angles 5 and 3 and angles 6 and 4 are the pair of alternate interior angles, so here we can say that alternate interior angles are equal. Also, angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees as they form a linear pair. We have shown that angle 4 is equal to angle 6 as these are alternate interior angles. This proves that angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees, but angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Therefore, angle 5 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees. As the pair of angles 3 and 6 and the pair of angles 4 and 5 lie on the same side of the transversal line, they form supplementary angles. So here we can say that the sum of interior angles on same side of the transversal line is supplementary as their sum is 180 degrees.